So this is the Ruko landing pad for drones. It's an absolutely fantastic landing pad. You see it folds up nice and you know, compact here, but it folds out and it's a very, very large landing pad. It folds out to 25.5 by 25.5 inches, which is much larger than many of the other landing pads that I have seen. And it folds down to 13 inches by 8.5 inches. It's made of some really good material, very sturdy, and it's a heavy pad, which means once you put this pad down, you don't have to worry about wind blowing it off. But it even comes with stakes, and these stakes will allow you to use the rings on each corner of the landing pad to stake it down if you feel that you need to. So it comes with 4 of these, but I can tell you from experience that I've used it in some pretty strong winds and have not needed to weigh this landing pad down or stake it down in any way. It actually weighs more than most of my drones do. The actual weight of this, 692 grams, it's going to take quite a bit of wind for this to be blown away. It's a large pad, so even if you're getting used to flying, you have the ability, or you don't have to worry about trying to land on a smaller surface. I really don't believe that you can go wrong with the Ruko H001 landing pad. It's absolutely fantastic. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this helped you in some way, and I'll talk to you again in a future video.